Meta's next VR headset is shaping up to be its wildest and priciest upgrade yet. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. A new leak claims the so-called MetaQuest 4, though that might not be its real name. It's getting a complete makeover with a massive price jump and a radical new design that could change how you wear the VR. The leaks come from VR insider Nima Zayami, who says the next Meta headset will be smaller, lighter, and powered by an external puck. That means the heavy computing and battery components won't sit on your face anymore. They'll hang at your waist or slip into a pocket. This will make it sleeker, lighter, and far more comfortable for long sessions. The device is also rumored to pack built-in eye and face tracking plus a high-res display, though not quite as sharp as Samsung's upcoming Galaxy XR headset. Still, it's expected to be a major visual leap over the Quest 3 and 3S. But the price is the main bump. The Meta headset might come around $800, which is nearly double to the Meta Quest 3's $499 price tag, and that may not include controllers. Yes, an $800 headset that could be sold controller-free. The leak also claims Meta will ditch the Quest name entirely by launching the device under a totally new branding strategy. No one knows the new name yet, but after the Quest 3 and 3s, Meta looks ready to reset the franchise, and don't expect it anytime soon. The headset reportedly won't land until 2026, which means fans should wait for Meta's next big swing. If the leaks are true, Meta's next headset won't just be an upgrade, it'll be a whole new era of VR. Are you ready for it? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.